Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Google Drive folder permissions for team collaboration. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to drive.google.com. Sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. Locate the folder you want to update permissions for. Right-click on the folder to open the context menu. Select Share from the options listed. In the Sharing Settings window, you will see a list of people who currently have access. To add new collaborators, click on the Add People and Groups field. Enter the email addresses of team members you'd like to invite. As you add each person, adjust their permissions using the drop-down menu to the right. The options are Viewer, Commenter, and Editor. Choose the appropriate permission level for each team member. If you want them to receive an email notification, ensure the box next to Notify People is checked. You can also add a message in the space provided if you wish. Once you've added all necessary collaborators and set their permissions, click Send. To change permissions for existing collaborators, find their name in the list. Click on the drop-down menu next to their name to adjust their access level. To remove a collaborator entirely, click on the X. After making all necessary changes, click Done to save your settings. Your updated permissions will now be in effect for your Google Drive folder. Communicate any changes with your team to ensure everyone is aware of their access rights. Review and adjust permissions periodically to maintain effective collaboration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.